Hey, what's up? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans, and today I'm going to discuss something with you. It's of course plant-based, but whole food plant-based. It's something I've been doing for the past 6 months, just to see how my body will feel, how I feel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to discuss with you the 3 benefits of whole food plant-based nutrition, right? So when I say whole food plant-based nutrition, what I'm getting to is you're not consuming so much processed food, right? You're getting everything is whole food. You're eating a lot more veggies. You're eating a lot more fruit. Your beans and things like that, right? You're not going and you're not doing the Beyond Meat. You're not getting a lot of stuff that's processed. You're not getting the Guardian fake meat, and those things are cool when you're first becoming plant-based. Those things help you, and those things are good to enjoy, you know, on the weekends with the family and whatnot. But I feel that whole food plant-based is a game changer. Just the way that I'm feeling, my body's feeling, how much more energy I have without putting a lot of processed foods in my body. So 3 benefits, whole food plant-based nutrition. All right, first one, healthier. Now that's what I was just discussing. So less processed food, more whole foods, and give it 30 days and you will see how your body's changing. You will see how you feel, how much more energy you have. Game changer, I'm telling you right now. Whole foods, and just cut out a lot of the processed foods that you're eating. Number 2, lower cholesterol. So since you're plant-based, you're cutting out a lot of dairy, you're cutting out eggs, you're cutting out a lot of foods that are high in cholesterol, right? Plant foods, you're really not gonna, there's no cholesterol. So that right there is a win-win in my book, right? You're cutting the cholesterol pretty much out, you know, and like I said, that's a win. All right. Number 3, your body. You're just gonna, overall, your body's just gonna feel better. Your digestion. It's crazy because now my nails, they grow like crazy. Your hair, your skin. Before I went plant-based back in 2017, I believe it was, one thing I've noticed is that my skin is just more clear. It's not like as oily as it used to be. So those right there are the 3 benefits that I have felt with going with the whole food plant-based nutrition. 1, you're gonna feel healthier. You're gonna notice it right away. 2, lower cholesterol. Win. 3, your body's just gonna feel better overall. Your digestion, everything is gonna feel better. So there you have it. All right. Also, I have a free video series that is right here. You can just follow this link right here, and that video series is gonna teach you about mindset. Is gonna teach you about plant-based nutrition, as well as it's gonna have some home workouts. So you're gonna get a free nutrition guide, you're gonna get a free mindset checklist, and you're gonna get some home workouts that you could do at home. So just go ahead and go to this link right there, supervegans.net/free video. Boom. All right, guys, I'll be back with you soon. Peace.
Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.